Okay, welcome back once again to all my dear students. In the last video, we had discussed about the aromatic hydrocarbon. That is all about the benzene, right? And we had also discussed the structure of benzene which can be proposed by the Kekulé, right? What is the structure of benzene that you all know? Okay. Now, today he has also represent the resonating structure between the benzene ring. That is a pi electrons are continuously change its position. Okay. Now we can also say that the structure which can be proposed by the Kekulé do not resemble the chemical properties. क्योंकि chemical properties में क्या था कि अगर उसमें हमने देखा है कि whenever the benzene is react with the chlorine, then the pi bond is break. Whereas the structure which can be represented by the Kekulé, in that structure, if the benzene is react with the chlorine, then hydrogen will be substituted, right? And thus you can get the chlorobenzene. Okay. So first point that we can say that the structure here certain limitation is there. The structure proposed by whom Kekulé do not resemble with the chemical properties right? Is it clear? Then here we can also say that there are three double bond are present in the benzene, but it gives substitution reaction like a saturated alkane. Three double bond present in the benzene, right? Three double bond present in the benzene, but it gives substitution reaction. Like alkane, right? Like alkane. जैसे अल्केन में हाइड्रोजन का सब्स्टिट्यूशन होता है ना, वैसे ही बेंजीन में भी हाइड्रोजन का सब्स्टिट्यूशन होगा, राइट? सो इन नॉर्मल कंडीशन लाइक अल्कीन, benzene does not react with the bromine water, right? Next point I can say, in normal condition like alkene, benzene do not react with the what? Does not react with bromine water. Does not react with bromine water. Understand? And also cold KMnO4 to give the additional reaction, and also cold KMnO4 to gives addition reaction, right? So here further we can also say that the polymerization does not occur in benzene, right? Polymerization does not occur in benzene, क्योंकि बेंजीन का भी पोलीमराइजेशन नहीं होता. Hence it can be said just like it possesses the stability. Double bond will possess the stability, right? So three double bond is there, so it is a stable structure. Okay, and here the polymerization means what? Just like हमने देखा है कि alkyne का polymerization हुआ, and polymerization means large number of the monomers are joined with each other by covalent bond and forms a giant molecules, right? तो यहाँ पे benzene का ये polymerization will not be possible, right? चलो note down. चलो, now these are the certain limitations are there that the structure which can be given by the calculate that the substitution of the hydrogen will be take place in the benzene. So certain limitations we have discussed. Now next point, that is the stability and the resonance structure of benzene. Let us see. Next point, that is stability and resonance structure. Resonance structure of what? Benzene. चलो देखते हैं अभी what do you mean by stability. So on the basis of chemical properties, the stability of benzene will be given, and Kekulé gave the two resonating structure, right? Now here we can say that you can get the intermediate position, that is the structure C, right? Let us see that here this is the structure of benzene. See here, this is the structure of benzene, double bond, double bond, double bond, right? Here the pi bond will continuously change its position, right? So how? Here the pi bond will comes over here. Why? Because it is alternatingly change its position. So this is the resonance structure of benzene, and thus the equivalent structure of this we can also write just like a ring. So this is also a benzene. Now we are going to discuss about the structure of benzene based on physical properties. अभी देखो physical properties के ऊपर कैसे structure of benzene explain करते हैं. तो first of all let us see that according to the Lewis, that is the name of the scientist, he has represented the structure of the Kekulé given by the benzene, which is based on the information obtained by the covalent bonding, right, of organic compound, and just like the electronic configuration. So let us see. यहाँ पे देखते हैं. चलो, this is the resonating structure. Now here structure based on the benzene, structure based on what? Structure of benzene. चलो देखते हैं structure of benzene based on physical properties. Structure of benzene based on physical properties. अभी देखो यहां पे पहले तो जो Kekulé ने स्ट्रक्चर दिया, दैट इज ऑल अबाउट द कोवेलेंट बॉन्डिंग इज दैट. यहां पे जो लुईस ने जो स्ट्रक्चर दे रहे वो इलेक्ट्रॉनिक कॉन्फ़िगरेशन है. तो देखो कि Kekulé ने जो स्ट्रक्चर दिया, Kekulé स्ट्रक्चर, तो क्या दिया? ऐसा दिया, right? Double bond, double bond, double bond. And here also what is that? This is the structure of benzene which can be given by Kekulé, right? Now लुईस स्ट्रक्चर, यहां पे हम लुईस स्ट्रक्चर देखते हैं. चलो लुईस ने कैसा स्ट्रक्चर दिया? इलेक्ट्रॉनिक कॉन्फ़िगरेशन. जस्ट लाइक यहां पे देखो कितने कार्बन आएंगे? 1 2 3 4 5 एंड 6, राइट? यहां पे डॉट डॉट H, ओके. यहां पे क्या आएगा? 1 2 3 4. यहां पे क्या आएगा? डॉट डॉट H. यहां पे 1 1. यहां पे डॉट डॉट H, डॉट डॉट H. By sharing the 1 1 electron, it can forms a covalent bond. यहां पे डबल बॉन्ड, यहां पे सिंगल, यहां पे डबल और यहां पे सिंगल. So this is the dot representation, and this can also be written just like this way. See here also 1 2 3 4 5 6, right? यहां पे H, यहां पे भी H, यहां पे भी H, ये भी H, ये भी H और यहां पे भी H, ओके. अभी देखो यहां पे डबल बॉन्ड है तो यहां पे सिंगल, then here it comes double, then single, then it comes double bond, then it comes single, and then it comes double bond. Is it clear? So this is the Lewis dot representation, the structure of benzene that is given by the electronic configuration. देख लो पहले एक बार. अब इसने क्या कहा, अकॉर्डिंग टू द फिजिकल प्रॉपर्टीज बेंजीन हैज अ 6 कार्बन एटम कंटेनिंग sp2 हाइब्रिडाइजेशन. सो फर्स्ट पॉइंट देखो, बेंजीन में 6 कार्बन है और सभी कार्बन के ऊपर कौन सा हाइब्रिडाइजेशन है, sp2. सो फर्स्ट पॉइंट दैट इज बेंजीन हैज 6 carbon atom, right, containing sp2 हाइब्रिडाइजेशन. चलो सभी 6 कार्बन पे क्या है, हाइब्रिडाइजेशन sp2 है. एनी ऑफ इट्स सिग्मा बॉन्ड बिटवीन C' and C' remain in one single plane. So we can say that all C' and C' single bond remain in one plane. Means all are equivalent. Now bond angle, let us see. Bond angle which one, between C' and C' is 120 degree. Is it clear? यहां पे ये देखो C' और C' वो कितने हैं, 120. We can say further 2pz orbital on each carbon will remain perpendicular to the plane and the molecules will be represented just like see यहां पे क्या होगा कि pi bond कौन बनाता है between the two carbon atom 2pz orbital. तो 2pz orbital का जो एक इलेक्ट्रॉन है कार्बन एटम में will remain perpendicular to the plane, right, with the molecules, and pz orbital which do not take in the part in the hybridization, it can forms a pi bond by sharing the electron, right. 2pz orbital, right, 2pz orbital which do not take part in the hybridization, which do not take part in hybridization, which do not take a part in the hybridization, remain perpendicular from the main axis, remain perpendicular from the main axis, right, and forms a pi bond by sharing the electron, and forms pi bond by what, sharing the electron. एक एक इलेक्ट्रॉन शेयर करेंगे और क्या बनाएगा, pi bond between the two carbon atom, and as a result the benzene structure of the benzene is obtained in which alternate double bond is present. As a result, structure of benzene is obtained in which 3 alternate double bond is present. 3 alternate double bond is present. Understand? So this is all about the structure of benzene, that is the physical, according to the based on the physical properties. चलो एक बार देख लो, and how the structure of benzene that we are going to discuss. अगर मुझे स्ट्रक्चर ड्रॉ करना है बेंजीन का तो कैसे ड्रॉ कर सकता हूं, देखो यहां पे ये 1 2 3 4 एंड 6, राइट, और यहां पे 1 2 3 4 5 6, राइट. और यहां पे क्या आएगा, एक एक सिग्मा बॉन्ड, 1 2 3 4 5 6, राइट, सिग्मा 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 सिग्मा, अंडरस्टैंड, राइट। और यहां से क्या होगा, तो यहां पे ये पाई बॉन्ड बनाएगा, यहां से इनके दो बीच में पाई बॉन्ड बनेगा और इनके दो बीच में पाई बॉन्ड बनेगा। सो दिस इज द स्ट्रक्चर ए। इज इट क्लियर, राइट और नॉट? ओके, सेम वे I can write down this structure can also be written just like, यहां पे दूसरा स्ट्रक्चर ऐसा भी लिख सकते हैं, 1 2 3 4 5 and 6। यहां पे देखो 1 2 3 4 5 6, राइट, एक एक सिग्मा बॉन्ड, ओके। फिर बाद में यहां से ये डबल बॉन्ड आ गया, यहां से ये डबल बॉन्ड आ गया और यहां से ये डबल बॉन्ड आ गया। इज इट क्लियर, राइट? सो ऑल दिस इज द स्ट्रक्चर नंबर 2 एंड दिस स्ट्रक्चर कैन ऑल्सो बी रिप्रेजेंटेड जस्ट लाइक हियर सी, ये स्ट्रक्चर जो है ना, दिस स्ट्रक्चर कैन बी रिप्रेजेंटेड जस्ट लाइक दिस वे, ऐसे रिप्रेजेंट कर सकते हैं हम, यहाँ पे डबल बॉन्ड और डबल बॉन्ड, और ये स्ट्रक्चर हमको रिप्रेजेंट करना है तो इट इज जस्ट लाइक दिस, यहाँ पे डबल बॉन्ड और डबल बॉन्ड, अंडरस्टैंड? सो दिस इज द स्ट्रक्चर ऑफ बेंजीन। पहले देख लो, अभी ये टॉपिक बाकी है, राइट? फिजिकल प्रॉपर्टीज में कितनी बॉन्ड लेंथ होगी, कैसे हम बॉन्ड लेंथ को मेजर करते हैं, वो सब बाकी है, तो पहले ये सब नोट डाउन कर लो। चलो, okay, now let us see, we can say that by the X-ray analysis of benzene, it is found that the bond length of carbon-carbon single bond is a 139 picometer. So I can write down here, by X-ray analysis of benzene, it was found that क्या, each C bond length, each C bond length is 139 picometer, right? The bond length of C single bond in alkane is, I can say, the bond length of C single bond in alkane is how much? 154 picometer, 154 picometer, and alkene is 134, and in alkene C double bond C bond length is 134 picometer, understand? So the bond length 139 picometer of benzene shows intermediate value, right? Thus the bond length of C in benzene shows what? Intermediate value. देखो, हम ऐसा कह सकते हैं कि आल्केन में कार्बन कार्बन के बीच बॉन्ड लेंथ कितनी होगी, तो 154, और आल्कीन में 134, सो इन बिटवीन दैट 139 picometer, that is in between alkane and alkene, the bond length of carbon carbon in the benzene ring, that is a 139 picometers, right? Okay, so this phenomena represent what? The resonance between the structure A and B, means benzene. Okay, that means interconversion phenomena is continuous and very rapid, right? So we can say that the resonance structure is possible. हमने जो ये structure draw किया था ना, that is called the resonance structure of benzene. Now next point we can say that resonating structure of benzene can be further proposed, it can be proved by the resonating energy. यहाँ पे देखो क्या resonating energy किसको बोलते हैं हम. तो in cyclohexene contain, I can say cyclohexene containing only one double bond, containing only one double bond. cyclohexene में double bond कितना होगा? A. And that's why we can say that hydrogenation enthalpy has hydrogenation enthalpy. कितनी हाइड्रोजनेशन एंथैल्पी है उसके अंदर? तो 119.66 किलो जूल पर मोल, किलो जूल and mole inverse. This is the hydrogenation enthalpy is that. Therefore in benzene ring, benzene में कितने डबल बॉन्ड है? 3. So therefore यहां पे लिखते हैं therefore in benzene ring we can say benzene have 3 double bond, having 3 double bond, right? And that's why so should have the hydrogenation enthalpy. कितनी आएगी? बेंजीन में हाइड्रोजनेशन एंथैल्पी should have the hydrogenation enthalpy, yes, 3 double bond, so 3 multiplied by 119.66, so that is equals to, multiply करो चलो, कितनी आई? 358.98 किलो जूल मोल इनवर्स, राइट? देखिए बेंजीन में तो इतनी होनी चाहिए, बट thus the benzene has how much? But the experimental hydrogenation enthalpy of benzene, but experimental hydrogenation enthalpy of benzene is hydrogenation enthalpy, but experimental hydrogenation enthalpy of benzene is somewhat 208, right? 0.36, 208.36 kilojoule mole inverse. It is proved, right? Thus the benzene has 358.98 minus कितना आएगा? 208, राइट? 208.36, तो माइनस करो चलो, तो 150.62 किलो जूल मोल inverse. So this, whatever the difference is there, this we can say it is a resonance energy, right? And enthalpy less than expected, इतनी वैल्यू कितनी है? लेस है बेंजीन में, ओके? एंड दिस 150.62 किलो जूल मोल इनवर्स वैल्यू इज नोन एज उसको हम क्या बोलते हैं? तो इट इज नोन एज द रेजोनेंस एनर्जी ऑफ बेंजीन, रेजोनेंस एनर्जी ऑफ बेंजीन, उसको हम रेजोनेंस एनर्जी बोलते हैं बेंजीन की, राइट? एंड दिस रेजोनेंस एनर्जी इंडिकेट द स्टेबिलिटी एंड ऑल्सो द लेस केमिकल रिएक्टिविटी, राइट? दिस रेजोनेंस एनर्जी what indicates its stability, and also we can say less chemical reactivity and also less chemical reactivity. Understand? Is it clear? That is called the aromatic characters, right? So here aromatic character of benzene based on the following fact. कौन से fact? तो पहला मैं लिखता हूं कि aromatic character of benzene is depends upon resonance bond energy of benzene. We can say resonance bond energy. Second one, we can say sp2 hybridization of carbon in benzene. sp2 hybridization of carbon in benzene. And third one, we can say that continuous transformation of 3 pi bond among 6 carbon benzene. So continuous transformation of what? 3 pi bond among 6 carbon atom in benzene. Understand? So this is all about the ring of the benzene. That is the physical properties. यहाँ पे देखो, पहले तो हमको ये मालूम होना चाहिए कि physical properties means first of all the Lewis has represented the structure of the benzene according to the electronic configuration. फिर बाद में हमने ऐसा पढ़ा कि in the benzene 6 carbon is there and all the 6 carbon having a sp2 hybridization. Then after the bond length, we had also discussed about the bond length. Now what is a bond length? That is between the bond angle, that is a C and C and C S, that is a 120 degree, right? Then after we had also discussed that how you can find out the bond length of that particular benzene. So with the help of X-ray spectrum, okay? Now with the help of that X-ray spectrum, it is proved that the bond length of a carbon atom in the benzene, that is a 139 picometer, which is less than that of alkane and more than that of alkene. So in between intermediate is that. Then after we had also discussed about the resonance energy. Yes, as you know that in cyclohexene only one double bond is there. So the hydrogenation enthalpy in the cyclohexene, that is 119.66 kilojoule per mole, right? So therefore we can say that in the benzene also there is 3 double bond. So that's why the hydrogen enthalpy in the benzene will be somewhat 358, right? But it is experimentally proved that in the benzene the hydrogen enthalpy, that is a 208.36, right? So whatever the difference is there, that is called the resonance energy. So in benzene, how much hydrogen enthalpy will be less? Just like a 150.62 kilojoule per mole, and that is called the resonance energy. And with the help of that resonance energy, it indicates its stabilities as well as the less chemical reactivity of benzene. And last one we had also discussed, that is a chemical fact. That is a, we can say that here the benzene is based on the following fact, which first one, that is the resonance bond energy, then all the 6 carbon atom having sp2 hybridization, and third one, that is continuously transformation of the 3 pi bond on 6 carbon atom of the benzene, right? So all these are the physical properties of benzene. Okay, so today up to here it's enough. In the next video we are going to discuss about the characteristics of aromatic compound, right? And then after the preparation of benzene. Okay, so thank you very much.